In today's video, I'm going to be comparing DSers with AutoDS to find out which is the best dropshipping tool. Now, by the end of this video, you're going to understand everything you need to know about both of these tools, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. So to start with, I'll compare the pricing, and DSers actually has 4 plans. They have a free plan, which is going to cost nothing. Then they have an advanced plan, which is $19.90 a month. Then they have the Pro plan, which is $49.90 a month. And finally, they have the Enterprise plan, which is $499 a month. You can see down here what's actually included with all these plans. So if you are looking to get yourself a plan, I recommend that you either pause this video or check out this page yourself so that you can see which one suits you best. Now for AutoDS, they actually have a ton more options for their pricing plans, and it also gets broken down into where you're actually selling. So I'm assuming most of you will be dropshipping on Shopify, so I've chosen that here. And they have 3 plans that they show you, but then they also offer all of these, which goes up to Master 100k. So for Import 200, the 200 refers to the amount of products you're allowed to import. And then after that, it refers to Importer, Price, and Stock Monitor. So Starter 500 allows up to 500 products, and so on. And it goes all the way up to 100,000. Now, in terms of the features, these tools are actually both really popular dropshipping solutions, and they share some features. One of the features they share is the ability to provide tools for managing orders, tracking, and fulfillment. This means that whether you're using DSers or AutoDS, you'll have the ability to oversee your orders from the moment they're placed until they reach your customers. In addition, both platforms allow you to manage your suppliers and source products. This is crucial in dropshipping as the source of the supplier can significantly impact the quality of your product. Another shared feature is their integration capabilities. Because as you can see, DSers works with Shopify, WooCommerce, and Wix, making it a versatile choice if you're running your store on one of these platforms. Now for AutoDS, they actually have more integration capabilities, as you can also integrate with sites such as Etsy, Facebook, and eBay. Now, both platforms also provide tools to manage product information and offer inventory tracking. This helps to ensure that your product listings are always up to date, and so you're aware of your stock levels at all times. Despite their similarities, these tools do have their own unique features, and one of DS's is order bundling. And this basically allows you to create compelling packages of multiple items. And this can be really useful when trying to upsell your customers. And one of AutoDS's unique features is product sourcing. This is a service that allows you to fulfill products from China using their agents rather than AliExpress or any other suppliers. And here's how it can help. To start with, there's product quality inspection, which means AutoDS will actually look at your products and ensure they are of good quality before sending them out. It can also tackle communication issues as they will speak to the Chinese suppliers, as sometimes there can be a bit of a language barrier, so they will basically be a middleman for you. And as well as that, they can also get better shipping times, which will leave your customers more satisfied. So which one's actually better? DSers is a great choice if you're looking for a tool with a bunch of unique features. It has features such as a supply optimizer, bulk order options, auto syncing for tracking numbers, and stock management tools. It also has more features than AutoDS, including order bundling, buy one get one free options, and variant mapping. But on the other hand, AutoDS is a flexible solution if you're looking to source products from a range of different environments. You can use it to find products from AliExpress, as well as CJ Dropshipping, Banggood, Home Depot, Walmart, Target, and many others. AutoDS also comes with excellent product sourcing tools, price and stock monitoring, and unique product research systems to help you choose the right price. So in conclusion, if you're primarily sourcing from AliExpress and you want a tool with a wide range of features, DSers might be the better choice. But if you want to source products from a wider range of suppliers, AutoDS could be more suitable. But it's important to consider your specific needs and preferences when choosing between these two tools. So this has been my video comparing DSers and AutoDS. Hopefully now you've watched this video, you understand everything you need to know about both of these tools, and you should be able to work out which one's a better dropshipping tool for you. Thanks for watching.